And here's I will show you how to post Facebook Reels with music from computer. Follow all these tips very carefully. On your computer browser, search for Facebook Studio, and all you have to need, open Facebook Business, and this link is business.facebook.com. Here, first of all, make sure to select your business account. Now here we can see the create reel option. If you don't see here, then click on more, and here you will find create reel. Just click on that, and now click on share to drop down and select your Facebook page, group or profile where you want to upload reel with music. Now here under media, click on add video. Now all you have to need from your computer, select the video. So here we can see the video successfully uploaded, and here we can see the reel preview. Now scroll down, and here if you want to add a description, here just type the description for the reel. Here we can see the description, and now select edit, and here select audio. Now from this available audio list, you can go ahead and select any audio or music, or you can use the search box to find out a specific music. So all you have to need, select the music that you want to add to the reel, and once the music is successfully added, here if you want, you can crop the music just like so. And now just here we can see original audio volume. So if your video footage has any audio, you can adjust your original video audio from here, and this is the music audio volume, so you can adjust music audio volume from here. Now go to share, and here if you want to share the reel to your story, you can enable this option. And now all you have to need, who can see this, select public and just click on share, and after a few seconds the reel will publish to your Facebook. Now I'm going to my Facebook again and just reloading my Facebook, and now let's go to my page, and here we can see I've successfully uploaded a reel video with music from my computer. So that's how we can do it. Thanks for watching.